Hello guys, this is Oshoto 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner with a tire inflator. So let's unbox it and see what you will get inside the box. So here you will get few attachments along with the main unit. These attachments are fabric brush, wet dirt sucker, duck mouth suction and an air hose. You can attach this air hose when you want to use it as a tire inflator. It comes with many other connectors, detailed user manual and a safety fuse. It comes with a two powerful motor. First one is a 100 watt dedicated for a vacuum cleaner and another one is 120 watt which is dedicated to the tire inflator. These motors are powerful and work very efficiently. Now, this vacuum cleaner can generate a power of 3200 PA, which is more than sufficient to pick any particle from the surface. The function of this device is very easy. There is a button on the top which you can move forward to use it as a vacuum cleaner, and when you turn it backward it will work as a tire inflator. And there is a black button in the front, then you can press to open the front housing to clean the filter. It can work perfectly on a wet and a dry surface. Under this vacuum cleaner, you will get a small compartment to keep all the small connectors, so you will get them easily whenever you want. The big analog display will help you to measure the PSI value while inflating the tire. PSI is a unit to measure air pressure. In India, mostly cars have only up to 40 PSI air pressure in tires. Now I am going to test this vacuum cleaner in a real life. So as you can see, there is a lot of dust in my car which I am going to clean with this vacuum cleaner. First I have to attach the socket into the cigarette lighter port of the car. So the first attachment I am going to use is a fabric brush. And there is a lot of area which can be cleaned with the help of a duck mouth suction. You can also use a wet dirt sucker if the floor is wet. So now you can see car floor is completely cleaned. So now I am going to use it as a tire inflator, but before this I have to attach the yellow air hose to this device. So now you can see my car tire is completely flat, and let's see how much time it will take to inflate it completely. So I simply attach the other side of the air hose to the tire. So it takes approximately 2 to 3 minutes to inflate the tire from 0 to 35 psi. It can be used to inflate the tire of car, bike, scooty, cycle and other home items like football, air sofa, swimming pool and many other inflatable items. It comes with a 1-year warranty which can be further extended to another 1 year. Now, just in case if this device is not working, then you can check the red LED light on the socket when you attach it to the cigarette lighter port. If LED light is not glowing, then you can replace the fuse that company have already provided you in the box. It is a very easy to change the fuse. You can do it by yourself within a minute. Instead of buying two separate products for your car like tire inflator and a vacuum cleaner, you can buy this single product that can do these two tasks much better. It can save you a lot of money and very compact in size. Thanks for watching this video.